Welcome to our kitchen. Today we prepare an ancient Roman polenta. Despite using different ingredients, this dish has a strong resemblance in appearance and use with modern-day polenta, but also a surprisingly rich and aromatic taste. We start with the ingredients: 175 grams of barley, 75 grams of millet, 40 grams of flax seeds, 8 grams of coriander seeds, and 2 pinches of coarse sea salt. First, we roast in a pan the barley for 1 minute. Then we add all the other ingredients and we roast them for 3 or 4 minutes, stirring often. This essential step adds a deep and aromatic flavor to the dish. But be careful, don't roast the ingredients too much, or they will impart a burnt taste to the polenta. The source for this recipe is the Naturalis Historia, the encyclopedic work of Gaius Plinius Secundus, known as Pliny the Elder. Pliny considered polenta a dish of Greek origin, but wrote also this variant of the Greek recipe widely used in Italy. When the ingredients are roasted, we mill them. You can use a mortar, but it's hard and really time-consuming work, so we suggest using a coffee grinder, dividing the ingredients into 3 or 4 batches. We are not aiming at a fine flour, but at a rather coarse texture. We place on the fire 1.5 liters of water. When it starts to boil, we gradually add the flour. The presence of lumps is not a problem. They'll dissolve while we stir during the cooking. We cook the polenta for half an hour, stirring almost all the time. If you use a higher fire, you may need more water. You can always add water while you cook the polenta, as long as the water is already hot. We aim at a thick polenta with an almost solid consistency. Now we are ready to plate. We pair the polenta with an ancient Roman stew called coppadia. You'll find the link to the recipe for the coppadia at the end of this video. This flavorful and tasty polenta is a fascinating link between ancient Roman and Greek culinary cultures.